from Taj Motor Medics. I've got a Renault Megane here. It's a Mark 3 on a 2009 plate. Just going to show you basically how to reset the service light. But before I do that, I'm going to shut the door and I'm going to just like kind of switch the ignition on so you exactly know what I'm talking about. Oh, I got it running. That's fine, minor anyway. But if you see that spanner light's on and then that service required. So what I do now is switch the ignition off, right? I'll put it in first gear, and then you see these buttons right here. So that's what you need to do when you're resetting it. The final step with resetting, what you need to do is you need to press the bottom button, but I'll show you that in a minute. Now all I now do is switch, press and hold the, without pressing the clutch or anything, I press and hold the start button. The ignition is on. I now play with these buttons right here. Got the wipers on, that's no good. So I get to service. When you get to service required, you then hold this button till it tells you it's completed. Right, that didn't do it. Let's go back again. Get to service. Right, I'm now going to try the top one. Press and hold. Right, keep hold of it. That's it. Once that's the spanner light's gone, you let go of the button. You then switch the ignition off, put it in neutral, and then start the car up. Now you can see the next service is in 12,500 miles. Now the one with the drives and everything, so if you've got an automatic car or something, you know, then put it in drive and then switch the ignition on without pressing anything, and then go with the basically button on the indicator stalk. That's sorry, not the indicator stalk, the wiper stalk. So press those buttons up and down till you get to the service. Once you get to the service, you press the top button, hold it for like between 5 to 10 seconds till the next remaining service mileage appears. Once that's appeared, keep hold of it, and then about 3 seconds later, let go of the finger, switch the ignition off, and then start the car up. That should do the trick. If there is anything else you need to know, leave us a comment below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you and goodbye.